Hey folks, Alan Manick, the HotRodHippie here, coming to you from Greenwich, Connecticut this week. We are at the Concours de Elegance. We're checking out all the beautiful cars from 1904 on up. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. I stick out like a sore thumb, that's for sure. Let's check out the show. Concours de Elegance stands for Competition of Elegance. These cars are meant to exemplify that. They are meant to be the best in their individual classes, starting from 1904 on the way up to 2019. These are beautiful cars that really show where motoring has gone. Whether it be faithful restorations, true race cars, or just survivors. There's a lot to see at this show, so let's let the cars speak for themselves.
Me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for me from Greenwich Concours de Elegance. It's a heck of a show. There's a lot going on here. 2-day event. You got the Americans on the first day, the European cars on the second day. Some beautiful cars out here. At Tucker 44 was one I was happy to see, and the owner really showed us around that thing. Thanks for checking this video out, folks. Go ahead and drop the video a like if you found it interesting. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the show, of the cars, what's going on here. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments down below. Go ahead and subscribe to keep up to date with all the content every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.